arrested for their relation to the November 10 terror attack. Now, Times Now has learned that 10-day custody has been granted to the NIA for all these 4 people who had been arrested for their linkages to the Red Fort blast case. These 4 people had been picked up from Srinagar and now their custody has been given to the NIA. Dipankar, tell us more about the line of questioning that they are likely to face as well as the role for which they are under the radar.
Well, these 4 accused have been sent to 10 days custody. NIA had originally sought 15 days custody to be granted to them, but only 10 days custody the court has granted. They'll be subjected to they'll be subject to questioning. They'll be confronted with the evidences that have been gathered by the enforcement, by the National Investigation Agency. Remember, these 4 accused are said to be the main perpetrators, the main conspirators.
4 accused are said to be the main perpetrators, the main conspirators behind this, the bomb blast that had taken place outside the Delhi's Red Fort area. So they'll be confronted with the 2 other accused who are already in the custody of the National Investigation Agency. That is, they were granted custodies earlier. So they'll be also confronted with each other, and then they'll be confronted with the evidences that have been gathered. The NIA will also try to find out the links between the Hawala money that is being also tested by the Enforcement Directorate as well as the NIA. So they'll also be questioned as to how they gathered the resources, how they gathered the money, how was the money provided to them, where they gathered these explosive substances, which is under the question, which was used outside the Delhi's Red Fort area. And remember, this Al-Falah University is also under scanners, from where 3 of the accused were there. Out of the 4 accused who were produced before the court, 2 were the senior residents of this Al-Falah University, that is Dr. Muzammil and Dr. Shaheen. Their links are also being traced to Al-Falah University, so they'll also be questioned regarding how that building number 17, which is under the scanner, how they were moving the fertilizers around that, where they were experimenting with those explosive substances, where they were creating those explosive substances. All these questions will be put to them in the 10 days of custody that the National Investigation Agency
very intricate and elaborate web that is now unraveling, and Times Now will get you every single update on that. Thank you, Dipankar, for joining us. We take a very quick break.